your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Pull gently on each of the 4 corners of the engine cover before unclipping it. Once removed, make sure that you disconnect the breather hose located on the right before removing it completely. To do this, lightly pull on the hose. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the holding screws on the airbox flange. Take the flange and remove it so you can access the filter. Take out the air filter. Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Put the filter back in place. Ensure that the rubber washer is placed in the right place. This will help you put the flange back on more easily. Put everything back into its position. Make sure you pose it correctly to facilitate screwing. Screw all the screws back in. You must now put the airbox back into its position. To do this, start by connecting the breather hose. Put the engine cover back on, clipping it in at the 4 corners. Ensure that it is well connected. Operation completed.